Let's see if we can turn this crusty $700 van into something we can actually be proud of. You guys know how much we love Raptorliner, and I have really been wanting to do a whole car in Raptorliner. I've seen people do it over the years. I just haven't done it, and I know my dad really wants to do the Ram Charger at some point. So I figured the best test vehicle that is probably the most flawed on the exterior, paint, all of the things, and could really deserve a facelift without being a fully formal paint job would be Alex's van, Vanna White. And we've kind of kicked this idea around a bit, and we had a free weekend, so I figured, all right, let's go ahead and get this thing sprayed in a weekend. So we are out here prepping it. Unfortunately, there's a lot of really crusty old wrap that's been on there for probably an eternity that is really hard to get off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scuff it really good. We're gonna try to peel off as much as we can, of course, and then touch anything up where there's bare metal with some rattle can like I did the hood. And we're gonna go ahead and shoot this thing, hopefully either tonight or tomorrow. There are a lot of ways you can prep this. The right way would be to completely strip this thing, cover it in epoxy primer. I know Raptor makes their own primer that I've used in the past, but I wanna see how it can stand up to a scuff job like this. Usually when they do bed liners on trucks, they just scuff the existing OEM paint that's on it or whatever it may be and shoot, and it sticks perfectly. So I figure, why not? As long as we get this thing nice and clean and get all little weird bits off, it should last. So let's see if we can turn this thing around in 24 to 48 hours. What do you think, Alex?
It's gotta look better than this.
It's definitely gotta look better than this. We'll put Vanna White back on there, just not in the weird scary letters. Are you excited to have a van that's like pretty?
No, not really.
No.
Kind of scary.
And a while back, I got him some pretty cool wheels. It was a Christmas gift, wasn't it? Yeah, as a Christmas gift, I got him some 6-lug, 17-inch wide, 17-inch. I think they're what, maybe 9 wide?
No, they're like
7 wide. Krager wheels, conveniently that only fit this thing, and we got some Continental tires for it as well, so it'll look extra good. I just figure if we're gonna make this thing look as nice as it's gonna be when we're done with it, we've really got to upgrade the wheels. And I thought about powder coating these, but these are kind of just the ugly stock wheels, and Alex did lose one of these center caps on the highway, and the tires are so it just kind of all made sense to beautify this thing. It looks really good, or it's gonna look really good, should I say. So hopefully by the end of today, tomorrow, whatever, it will look blue. Let's go get some primer and some paint so we can paint these jams as well. And then maybe we can get it inside and spray it tonight. What do you think about that? Yeah? All right, ready? Bring her in, kind sir. Vanna White. This is the last time Vanna White will be outside. It'll be Vanna Blue or something. We'll have to work on the name. Well, well, well. Vanna White is mostly prepped. Wow. You ready to help me Raptor line this thing today or what? She's a little dusty, but at least all of the rust is gone, or
covered.
Properly covered.
Ish. Enough. Okay, door handles.
Nice. Yeah, we still gotta tape a few things off, but I think we go ahead, blow this whole room out, clean it out, wipe the whole thing down. We can spray just any of these little open cracks that are gonna be hard to Raptor line in with the blue paint we have, and then let it dry, and then I think we can come in and Raptor line this sucker. We're no strangers to Raptor and their Bedliner products here at HH Wheels. I've been playing with quite a few of their products, most specifically the Black Bedliner kits, but I've been itching to try tinting one of their kits for myself. Based on the research I did, there are a handful of ways to go about it. At your local parts store like AutoZone, you can usually find their black kits ready to rock and roll, or you can order them online through Amazon. I ended up ordering the Tintable kit, which basically comes clear or untinted. The tricky part is the tint, and that is where I had to get a little crafty. Raptor obviously makes their own tint for these kits, but I found it to be pretty pricey and it was going to take a hot second to get here. So I started digging into other tint options and found that custom shop urethane tint would do the trick. The mixing ratio is pretty specific, and since 4 bottles of the 3-ounce kit might not have been enough for my 8 liters, I went ahead and dumped everything into one bucket to make sure the color stayed completely uniform. I also threw in an extra bottle or two of Black Bedliner just to darken it up a bit. I definitely went the mad scientist route here. I didn't add any hardener at this stage since you really need to work quickly once the hardener is mixed in with the Raptor products. Instead, you can properly measure the hardener using the measuring cup that's provided once you refill the bottles with your mixed color. I had Alex mixing 2 bottles at a time with the hardener added so I could quickly swap bottles as I went. Having an extra set of hands to mix this while you're spraying is definitely ideal, but if you're working alone, you can easily mix up 2 bottles, spray them, and then come back and mix more. You just don't want to mix all of them at once. I've had issues in the past with the product starting to dry prematurely with that. Another added bonus with these kits is that you can easily control the texture pattern by adjusting your air pressure and your distance from whatever panel or vehicle you're shooting. These kits come with the spray gun included, so there really isn't much setup needed, but if you want to go the extra mile, you can add an air pressure regulator to help dial things in. I typically spray anywhere between 40 and 60 psi, but it really depends on a few things. The size of your air tank, ours is a 60 gallon, how far away you're spraying from the surface, and the overall texture you're going for. It might sound a little technical at first, but once you get the gun in your hands and start spraying, it's actually pretty easy to get the hang of. Although I didn't capture on camera, I did end up spraying the roof black because we ran out of the mix color. It's not a huge deal since you really don't see much of the roof anyways, but if you're planning on tackling a larger vehicle like our van, I would definitely recommend picking up 3 kits just to be safe. I'm delighted. I think it came out great. It looks a little patchy on camera, but I think once we get this thing outside in some sun and kind of let it dry, let it take on some dirt, it'll definitely even out a bit more. I think it's a pretty good first attempt at a full spray job. You happy with Vanna White?
Well,
or Vanna...
It's beluga now.
I'm just gonna... You have to call it a whale?
Beluga.
Blue... Okay.
Beluga. Look at it.
We'll work on the name. Once we get the ladder rack
Ooh, we can paint that black.
painted, we could do a black. It'll kind of come together, put the new wheels and tires on it. You put new headlights on it, clean out the bumpers a little bit. You're going to be rolling. I think he wants to do some, mirror tint or something?
Yeah, chrome.
Chrome mirror tint. You know what? Whatever makes you happy. And I'm pretty proud of myself. I thought this was going to be a lot harder. It was definitely a workout, but... Alright, we're going to let her sit overnight. Tomorrow we'll put some new wheels and tires on.
Make sure it fires. Put a new key in it.
Oh, and we got you a new key too. So, that way it'll actually turn over.
I've been sitting here for 7 minutes. Come on, man. Your name is Mud.
Hey, it turns over fine for me. I don't know what y'all's problem are, but it
Aw.
works just fine.
Little Midwesterner saying y'all.
Y'all, it's all good. Beluga.
The things we do for the people that we love. Excited to see Vanna White no longer be Vanna White.
Beluga?
Is that the name we're sticking with?
I don't know yet.
We got the wheels and tires mounted yesterday. Continental Terrain contacts. They look really good on these these wheels. Still need a little bit of detailing, but that's where you come in, right?
Yeah. Perfect.
All right, let's see it. Smells very potent in here still, but it smells like a shoe store. Like, it's nice and dry though. You ready to get this thing outside and see what it looks like? See if I sprayed an even enough coat. I mean, apart from the fact that the jams are still white.
You can't really see them.
No, you can't really see it. Man, this feels nice. This is really solid.
I'll give you like a 2 out of 10.
You give me a 2 out of 10?
Yeah, only 2 mistakes out of 10.
Oh, I was gonna say,
Pass.
I'd give myself like a solid 4 out of 10.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Those wheels definitely make it look better already, though. Wait till you put the center caps on. Best $300 I've ever spent on wheels. What do you think?
They look good.
If we would have painted it any other color than blue, I would have said let's put purple tint on the windows. I guess you probably still could, but...
If we could, and then you could decal out some fish and make it a fishbowl.
This is your detail van, sir.
Yeah, it's all about the details.
You know how people have stops for railroad crossings? Yours are gonna be stops for jets? Or stops for airplanes? No?
Stops for things, fast stuff.
Stops for vintage hot rod parts? I think, actually, though, what we'll do is we'll put, like, your company logo on one of these. And then on the other side, we'll put, like, stops for jets or whatever. And then I think you should find some, like, cool vintage bumper stickers to put on it. Like the one that I saw in California. The, what was it? Oh, it's like, the world isn't McDonald's. You can't have it your way or something. Like,
Disco sucks.
yeah. And eat more possum. You know, like how Bobby has in the back of his car. Something like that I think would be awesome. Hello, Father.
Oh, how did it turn out?
I don't know. You want to see my handiwork? I think it's pretty good. We're not really going to be able to tell how even it is.
Oh, I like the wheels.
They look really good on it, too.
It's darker than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a lot lighter.
Well, yeah. We did, too, and then kind of had to go a little darker to get the right amount of
And the
pigment.
finish is fantastic. Okay. Got a little heavy right there, didn't we? But the cool thing is it doesn't look different when you get it heavy. So that makes me think when you get in the sunlight, it's going to look like one color. I think with these lights, it just looks streaky.
I'm hoping so.
Yeah, that's what it is. Because you got it really thick right there, and it's not changed the color at all. So that's good. This is a good test run because you know what's next.
The rain charger.
You got it.
Well, that's what I was going for, too. Is I really want to see if we can pull this off with pretty minimal prep. And I think this feels like it's on there.
Oh, this is going nowhere. I can't scratch it.
Well, even if you can scratch a little,
Can't.
it's not going to pull it off.
You're scratching it.
No, you're not. It's just rub it off. Look.
It's taking on the dirt.
That's
You're scratching my new paint job. Hey, you're knocking the rust out.
I love the wheels and tires. I mean, you're talking about transforming this whole thing. I'd leave the roof rack off
For now.
because it looks slick.
It does.
You know, it looks slick. Holy transformation.
It's tight.
Well, Vanna White got the ultimate spa treatment here at HH Wheels. We did paint, wheels, tires, headliner. He got a new key for it. This thing is beautiful. But I gotta say, I'm pretty happy to see what this $710 truck has turned into. I think it's gonna be a great van for Alex, and I'm just ecstatic to see I can actually still Raptor line. But nonetheless, if you guys like this video, leave us a like. Comment what you want to see us do next on Vanna Blue? I don't know. We got to come up with a new nickname for it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Get out there and get wrench on your projects, because it could look like this.